So we're about to get underway in pursuit of 154 for victory. Mohammad Asif goes to Graham Smith and starts with a wise now. It's Pakistan attack. Oh, they go up for the catch, and he's gone. The early strike from Mohammad Asif. From Mohammad Asif, this is how it happened.
Absolutely gem of a delivery. They're trying to withdraw his back, but
he faces his first ball from Mohammad Asif. And there's good shape. It's taking a sharp single. Oh my word, that was close. There is movement. This new ball in the hands of Mohammad Asif is certainly nipping about a bit. Oh my word. I think more fortune than design there whilst leaving. He expected that to shape away, and it's nipped in and not far away from off stump.
He was hopping around expecting this ball to shave away from that off stump area, but it came back, but extra bit of bounce saved him in the end. Very close to that off stump.
Big appeal, they're taking the single. Other line.
There's that ball darted back. Oh, very close. Mohammad Asif's ability, you got to be in good touch. This is the leg before shout. Maybe just hitting him a channel outside of Oxton. Well, it's a different replay.
And Kerry. It's bowled beautifully again, Asif.
Probably think in his mind that he should have got Cullis with one that came back onto the pad. That one